One of the top 10 private B schools in India.
Our focus is on cutting edge domain knowledge and benchmarking with world-class businesses.
Big Tech, excellence with values.
Have strengthened our community and made our lives better. Governments across the world are working hard to put in place a robust and efficient immunization program, and through their concentrated efforts, these programs save close to 3 million lives across the world every year for diseases like polio, smallpox, diphtheria, measles, and so on. Every child has the right to a healthy, disease-free future, which is possible only through effective immunization. There are a lot of challenges in keeping vaccines potent and effective through the entire supply chain, and we cannot afford to compromise on quality at any stage because every child counts. Any successful immunization program consists of 3 important aspects: availability of vaccines, cost efficiency, and a safe potency level of the vaccine. By potency, we mean the strength and effectiveness of the vaccine. But did you know that the potency level of the vaccine can be affected by changing temperature levels? Have you ever thought of what goes behind its journey from the factory to the time it is actually administered? Most people know that vaccines are heat sensitive and that it can easily affect its potency. But did you know that freezing temperatures can also affect their potency? A vaccine is most efficient and effective if stored between temperatures of 2 to 8 degrees. Here's a look at the conventional ice-lined refrigerator which is currently in use. Apart from uneven cooling, there is a risk of freezing of vaccines that touch the sides and the bottom of the refrigerator, rendering them fairly impotent, in other words, useless. There are other factors